Hello everyone, welcome to this demo for AdaptDC. In this demo, I'll show you how we help in reducing troubleshooting burden for distributed systems like Kubernetes. Meet John, who is a senior software engineer at a large consumer SaaS company responsible for managing Kubernetes hosted services as shown in this architecture diagram. One evening around 8:40 p.m., John got several high profile customer complaints for application slowdown. With a traditional application performance management solution, John and his team had to spend an all nighter, in total 14 hours, to fix the troubleshooting issue. But not until his company lost about $5 million. The majority of the troubleshooting time went into detecting failures and correlating different failures. With AdaptDC, John avoided this troubleshooting nightmare. First, instead of receiving a flood of isolated alarms, John received a ranked list of alarms with which John can quickly recognize the most critical alarms were coming from payment service, API service, and database service. Our alarm ranking is based upon the relative relevance of anomalies in different metrics across different services. Besides generating alarms, our real-time anomaly ranking also eliminates the overhead for health rule configuration and tuning. With anomaly monitoring, John recognized that alarms in database latency and alarms in the API service latency preceded the alarms in the payment service latency. Clearly, there is a complex and dynamic failure event flow which is hard to analyze manually given the scale and complexity of Kubernetes. To resolve this problem, we have designed a robust time series correlation ranking algorithm with which John recognized out of all different correlations, the strongest correlation existed between the payment service latency and the database service latency. With that discovery, John called up his database team and together they uncovered there is a small but critical misconfiguration in Kubernetes which caused the database latency rise. They quickly fixed that Kubernetes misconfiguration and the application slowdown was resolved right after 9 p.m. within 20 minutes after receiving the initial customer complaints. With time, our contextual AI engine becomes smarter and reduces troubleshooting burden even further. That's how we bring much needed efficiency into application performance management workflow. Please feel free to contact us to learn more about us and try out our freemium version in our website. Thank you very much.